Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with classification of the living world. Taxonomy classifies organisms into groups called taxa or taxon in singular, which are further arranged into different taxonomic categories. These taxonomic categories are arranged into successive levels or ranks, and this arrangement is called the taxonomic hierarchy. Thus, a taxon includes all organisms belonging to a taxonomic category. The term taxon is also used to indicate the rank or the category of hierarchical classification. Scientists have divided all living organisms into 7 major taxonomic categories. They are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. In case of plants, the term phylum is replaced by division. In the hierarchy of classification, organisms are grouped into an ascending series of successively larger and broader categories, so that lower groups are always subordinate to and included in those that are higher in the hierarchy. Let's discuss the different taxonomic categories, beginning with the lowest category, the species. By definition, a species is a group of similar organisms which can interbreed with each other and produce fertile offspring. If we consider the plant kingdom, potato, tomato, and brinjal are 3 different species. These species are given unique, specific epithet, which is their species name. The specific epithet of potato is named tuberosum, tomato is lycopersicum, and brinjal is called melongena. Genus is an important rank in the taxonomic hierarchy, just above the rank of species. It is a group of homogeneous species. For example, the 3 species that we saw earlier belong to genus Solanum. You know that according to the binomial nomenclature, the scientific names of organisms are their genus and species names. Thus, the scientific name of potato is Solanum tuberosum, tomato is Solanum lycopersicum, and brinjal is Solanum melongena. Consider another plant genus, capsicum. Genus Capsicum consists of different species such as the thigh pepper, the bell pepper, and the habanero. Genus Solanum and genus Capsicum are 2 distinct genera, plural of genus. It is evident that species belonging to the same genus have more similarities than species of different genera. The next taxonomic rank is the family. Family consists of groups of similar genera. For example, genus Capsicum and genus Solanum, the 2 similar genera, belong to the family Solanaceae. The Solanaceae family is informally called the potato family. This family consists of agricultural crops and plants that are exclusively used by man as food, spices, and medicines. Similarly, there exists another family in the plant kingdom called the Convolvulaceae, or the morning glory family. The leaves and roots of these species are consumed by humans as food. The next taxonomic category, order, usually comprises of groups of families thought to possess a degree of phylogenetic unity. We looked at 2 families, the Solanaceae family and the Convolvulaceae family. Both these families belong to the order Solanales. Another example is order Rosales, which includes species such as roses, strawberries, apples, peaches, and apricots that belong to different genera and families. The next taxonomic category is class, and it includes several related orders. For example, orders Solanales and order Rosales belong to the class Dicotyledonnae. The distinguishing feature of class Dicotyledonnae is that they produce seeds with two cotyledons. Another class related to dicotyledons is that of monocotyledons. These plants have seeds with single cotyledon. The second highest category in the classification of plants is division. Different classes belong to the category division. Class Dicotyledonnae and class Monocotyledonnae belong to division Angiospermae. Division Angiospermae includes all flowering plants. Apart from angiosperms, the plant kingdom consists of other divisions too. For example, plants are also classified under divisions Coniferophyta, Pteridophyta and Bryophyta. All plants belonging to different divisions are assigned to the highest category called Kingdom Plantae. And according to Whittaker, the entire living world is constituted in the five kingdoms, namely Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. This concept is known as Whittaker's five-kingdom classification. After learning the different taxonomic categories into which living organisms are classified, let's look at the classification of an animal species and a plant species. Let's begin with an animal species, the kangaroo, which is a marsupial. It is classified into Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Mammalia, Order Diprotodontia, Family Macropodidae, Genus Macropus, and Species Rufus. The scientific name of kangaroo is Macropus rufus. Let's move to classification of the wheat plant. Kingdom Plantae, Division Angiospermae, Class Monocotyledonnae, Order Poales, Family Poaceae, Genus Triticum, and Species Aestivum. The scientific name of the wheat plant is Triticum aestivum.